Smokey is so beautiful, guys. Patronize your girl. So I'm gonna wear this one in the style Sonia. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you are welcome, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. So guys, in today's video I will be doing a smoky glittery eye. So it's going to be all about the eyes today, so I'm not going to do the full makeup here. I have a video of that. I'm going to link that in the description box. I have a video of how I do my brows. I'm also going to link that in the description box so you can see how I do those things, because I'm going to do all of that off camera in this video. And if you like my hair, I am going to link that in the description box where I got it from. And yeah, let's just jump into the video, guys. So guys, my face is looking so messy right now, but when I'm done, you're going to like the look. So I'm done with my full face, and I decided to do one of the eye. So I'm going to do this one for you guys to see. This blue smoky is so beautiful, guys. So the first color that I'll be using is from this palette. And guess what, guys? It's just I broke my Rlg new eyeshadow palette. Fell out. This is new, guys, and I brought it out last week, and look at what happened to it. I'm going to be using this kind of burgundy color on my crease. So just put that on my crease. Then I'll start blending it. Then I'll take more of that again, apply it. So for my Kalahari palette, I'm going to take another blending brush like this one. Then I'll take, this one is also from Rlgcosmetics. Then I'm going to take this brown here to just blend that color. Just blend it out like so. So after blending the crease out, I'm going to add more color to the crease using the same brush. I'm taking this color from the Anita B palette, the Enigma. This one here. I'm going to take that, so we just dust out the excess. Then I'm going to apply that on the crease again, just to deepen the color, the first color that I applied there. Nice and smooth. So after that, I went ahead to use this what is it called, LA Girl eye primer. I applied that all over my lid. This brush from Nuban Beauty, blend that out. So I blend that on my crease. Take it closer so you see. So after blending that, I took a flat brush like this one, and this charmzz by NK. This is where I got my blue eyeshadow from, and the eyeshadow I'm going to be using is this one, the Blue Flame, this one right here. And this is the glitter I applied after applying this one. So I'm going to take this brush now to apply that blue color. I'm just placing it on my lid. This blue is so fine. I'm using the same brush. I'm going to flip it. I'm using the same brush to take that blue glitter. Was it blue? Yeah, blue mixed with silver. So I'm going to apply that on top of the blue eyeshadow. This brush, this small brush from Nuban Beauty, I'll do the same thing that I did here underneath the eye. So I'm using the blue to smudge under the eye. And after that, I'm going to take a burgundy color, same brush, but I just had to clean it. Take the same burgundy color, and apply it underneath the blue. So I'll still clean the brush again. Then I'll take the blue glitters and apply that to my waterline. Then I'm going to line my waterline. This one, the name is no longer there, but I'm going to use to line my waterline. To line my upper lash line, I'm using this Zaron eyeliner. Then after that, I'm going to take my Zaron mascara. Then I'll apply that on my lashes. This color right here from the Kalahari palette. Then I'll apply it to my tear dot with that same tiny brush, but I'm just going to take off the first color. Take the blue and I apply it here, like so. I have a lash line, so guys, patronize your girl. So I'm gonna wear this one in the style Sonia. For my contour, I used the Milani powder in warm 109 to contour. I'm still going to add more of that powder. didn't bother to lay this wig, just not in the mood, but I'm going to do some baby hairs when I'm done. So I use my Kalahari palette for blush, this color right here and this. So I'm going to add more of that color to my face. That's nice and smooth. The whole of my face, I'm going to be using this Maybelline powder. Using the same mascara from Zaron, Lightning Mascara. Wow. Can you see that? After my eyes, the bronzer that I'll be using, the highlighter, is this from Rlg. Let me show you. I love this look. Ooh. So I'm going to use my Nuban Beauty to set. The brush I'm going to use is also from Nuban Beauty. I'm going to set my face. Okay, no, not now. Let me allow the mascara dry first before I set my face. So I'm going to be using these two colors. I don't want it to be too loud. So I'm using Dawn and is it Gilly, something like that. I'll just apply that right here. Then same here. I'll just apply some here on my chin. Then what is it called? Keep it bow. Then tip of my nose. I'll set my face first. Just to reduce the ashiness. So for the lips, I think I should go for nude. But before that, I'm going to moisturize my lip with this lip balm. I don't know where it's from again. Just close that on. So for my lips, I'm going to use this lip stain from minobeauty in Jasmine. I'll take this Belly from 89 Cosmetics. I have issue with S, so I want to take Belly from 89 Cosmetics. Now apply that. I'll use that to line my lips. I don't want to leave it like this. I just want to add a bit of gloss. So guys, I went ahead to do some baby hairs, and yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be notified. So guys, yeah, see you guys in my next video.